Hello everyone, this is Coach Emma and I'll be showing you how to solve this question that says find the next two terms of the sequence 1, 5, 14, 30, 55. Now the topic this falls under is the topic of sequence and series. Now in order to solve a question like this, all you have to do first is to observe the pattern between the numbers. First of all, you observe the pattern between the numbers. And from observation, you can see that the difference from 1 to 5 is 4. That is 5 minus 1 is 4. The difference from 5 to 14, if I'm not mistaken, is 9. The difference from 14 to 30 is 16. The difference from 30 to 55 is actually 25. Now looking at this difference right now, there is something you can also observe as well. That's what? The numbers here are numbers that we can find the square root, that we can find the perfect square of, or the square root of. You can see for 4 right now, we can get the square root of 4, which is 2. The next one, and the next immediate number, which we can actually find the square root of, is actually 9. It happens to be 9 here as well. So the square root of 9 is 3, the number we can get the square root of. The next immediate one I mean is 16. 16 is the number we can find the square root of, and the next immediate one is 25. 25 is the number we can find the square root of. So now, all I have to do is that I have to ask myself, what's the next number, the next immediate number that I can actually find the square root? Now, after 25, the next one is actually going to be 36, because you can see this is like saying 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So obviously the next one is going to be 6 square, which is 96. So it means the next number I'm actually looking for is 1, that the difference in the number is going to be 36. Observe something as well. As much as this is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, 16 plus 14 is 30, and so on and so forth. So that simply means my next number is going to be 36 plus 55, and that's going to give me 91. So I'm going to be having 91 next. So what's the next number? Because we are asked to find the next two numbers. So we have found one already. We are left with 1. Now the next one, the difference has to be, because this was 6 square where we stopped, the next one is going to be 7 square. So 7 square is 49. So if we are having 49, it simply means we have to add 49 to 91. And if we add 49 to 91, what we are going to be having is, of course, 9 plus 1 is 10. So I write 0, I take 1 off. 9 plus 4 is 13, and then plus 1 is 14. So it means the next number is going to be 114. So that's easy as this.